What it do, what it do, what it do. Hey, my name is Alethea and welcome to or back to my channel for another video. And I already know this video probably will not get a lot of views. And that's the good thing about me doing these BoxyCharm videos, because I am going to have a giveaway coming up real soon. And the only people that will know this giveaway is coming up are the people that are watching these BoxyCharm videos, right? Right. So anyway, I got my BoxyLuxe box for the month of March. Is it upside down? No, it's not. So let's see what's in this bad baby. And as I said, there's some with the March Premium, the BoxyCharm Fenty Takeover. With that one, I told you all there's some things that I'm going to give away, and there may be some things in this box that I add to that giveaway, and there are some other things that I have added to that giveaway. Case in point, let me tell y'all, you remember last month, for those of you that watched the BoxyCharm videos, then you probably recall last month BoxyCharm sent me something in the box that I complained about, and so they didn't send me another item, but they did add some points to my account. So with part of those points, I bought this Ace Beauty palette, and I'm going to add this to the giveaway. And so let me show you what it looks like. I already have this palette because I got it in another BoxyCharm box. And let me make sure I put this, don't let this fall because I don't want to touch these shadows because I don't have anything, but you know, I just want to be careful and safe. I'm sending this to somebody. So you see, that's what the colors look like. All right, so now come to think of it though, should I really be doing a giveaway with all this that's going on? Yeah, but anyway, I'm gonna put this in here, put this back in this plastic because it's in this plastic, and I'm going to keep it in the plastic to make sure that it's safe when I do ship it. All right, so now let's open up this box. So this box variation that I have is variation number 12, and here is the little slip for it. So the first thing, and I don't know if this was the first thing or not when I first opened this box, but like I said, I've opened the box, and here is the BoxyCharm palette, and this is a palette that is distributed by BoxyCharm, and it says shimmer pressed eyeshadow ingredients. Okay, that's ingredients on there. So is there a name to this palette? I don't remember. Hello Charmer, so that's the name of it. And there is a mirror in this palette, and there are the colors, and I am definitely not going to be giving this away. So let me hold it up here so you can see the colors. So there, it kind of washes it out, but if I do it like this, you can kind of see the colors a little bit better. And this palette, I've seen it on some of those people because I follow people that do the BoxyCharm thing, and this palette has a lot of their names on there, and I am not going to read off these names. And the next thing I have in this palette, and this will be something that I give away, and the reason I'm going to give this away is because they've given me one of these before, and I don't remember how long ago it was, but I gave it to my daughter because I did not want it, and yeah, I don't think she wants it neither. So unless she says she wants it, this will be in the giveaway. And that BoxyCharm palette is valued at $39, and that sponge gel body sponge is $16. The next thing that I have in here is the Tarteist Pro Remix palette, and this I think will be something that I keep. I don't know, let me open it back up. I like the way these shadows smell. Like I said, I've opened all this stuff up, and this has a mirror in it, of course. Tarte palettes always have a mirror, I do believe, and that is what the palette looks like. So I'm going to keep this palette. The next thing is a NARS Power Matte Lip Pigment, and this color is You're No Good. And there's the box, and that's what it looks like. And I'm definitely going to keep this, so I'm going to go ahead and swatch it. And I really do like this color. Next, I have these Brazilian Bum Bum creams. So I have the Brazilian Bum Bum cream and the Coco Cabana cream. I've had this one before and I really do like this cream. I don't know how this one is going to be, so yeah, I have both of them. The next two things are definitely going to go in the giveaway, and I actually think I'm going to do 2 giveaways because my aunt gave me hers, and this is the Appeal lip pencil. I'm thinking it's a lip pencil. It says gel liner and it has the plastic seal on it. I'm not going to open that because I'm going to give this away, as well as I have another one I'm going to give away. And then there's a blush in here and it's peach pink, and I don't know whether or not, I haven't decided. My aunt gave me hers, but I haven't decided whether or not I'm going to give away mine or whether or not I'm going to keep it. But here it is. It's just a peachy color, and I do like peach blushes. And then the last thing in this box, and so I forgot to tell y'all the prices of everything else. So the Tortillas Pro palette is $49. The Bum Bum and Cocabana cream, $15. The lip pigment, $25. The blush, $23, and the gel liner, $21. And this last item is $99, and it is the PMD Smart Facial Cleansing Device. I don't know what that call was about. So the last thing, like I said, is this PMD facial brush, and I was really looking forward to getting this. And inside here, it does come with the battery because I did set my aunts up, and they had various colors of this. And so it has this little thing, this little clear thing that it sits in, so you can sit it up at your vanity or something. Uh-oh, it's not labeled on my hand, but you can sit it up at your vanity or something. So you open it up, and it has different pulses, and yeah, it has different pulses and stuff like that, and it's hilarious. It's hilarious because I set my aunts up, so that's why I'm saying it's hilarious with the different pulses and things like that. My mom thought it was too funny. So I'm going to put the battery in. I hope I put it in the right way, because if you don't put the battery in the right way, it's not going to work. You have to put it in the other way, then it vibrates. You hear it? Then you could change it. Sped up a little bit. Alright, so now, like I said, I was looking forward to getting this. I think that I wanted more than anything else. Okay, so like I said, it has different pulses. Let me show. Okay, so all right. So that's how it goes. So okay, y'all, so there is so much going on in my life right now, so many things that are just about to just make me pull my hair out. That was my mom calling me just now. My aunt had to be rushed to the emergency room earlier today, and they put her in ICU. They've had to put stents in her, and they said she's had 2 heart attacks, and oh my goodness, it's just a lot. That is the end of this, and like I said, I'm going to have a giveaway, and I'm not sure whether or not it's going to be 1 or 2 giveaways, and I'm not sure how I'm going to do it, so please do stay tuned for that. If you have not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and like, comment, and share this video across all your social media sites. And so until the next time, in between time, you ladies and gentlemen, be safe, and I will do what? See you in the next one. Bye.